Hey everyone, hope you are well. I am going to run through some of the results which we're running live on our accounts. I'm not going to go through the ones which aren't doing particularly well because I guess no one's interested. I'm only going to show you the ones which are doing well. So first up, it's the Waka Waka and Golden Pickaxe. So this one, there are quite a few reviews, quite a few people using these train robots, and to be honest, right now, this is these are my favorite train robots. So there are two here. There's the Waka Waka and Golden Pickaxe. They're essentially the same trading robot, except Golden Pickaxe trades only on gold, and Waka Waka is doing some of the Aussie and Canadian pairs. You can see how the progresses is looking quite good. We've had a 37% return. Also, the absolute gain is exactly the same. So started off with, as you can see, 1,231, and it's made $464.10 profit. And looking at everything else, you can see we've currently got some trades open. Currently minus $26 down, which is quite normal for a drawdown. It is a grid martingale type of train robot. You can see this is the recovery trade to try and make up for this loss. And between the two of them, so I've got combined the two trading robots on the one account and to get these results. The only thing which I don't like about this train robot is the cost. I mean, they're both over $1,000 each, so both of these cost me. I mean, just to have these on my account, it's cost $2,000 already. Obviously, haven't quite recovered that, but these two are currently, one of the best in terms of grid martingale trading robots. Less risk than the others which I've seen. The max risk I had here, which was probably here, was the 16% drawdown. But you can see everything else has been quite small. So yeah, really happy with this so far. Obviously, still need to get past the cost of the purchase, but these are really good trading robots. And you can see on the account, these are the returns that I've been getting every month. Okay, so obviously all the links and everything will be in the video description box below. Now I'm going to look at the Forex Cyborg. I've had this running for a while now. You can see it's been going since 2021, 2023 is today. We've had a 271% gain. You see the absolute gain is a lot less than that, and that's because this tends to scalp really small numbers of pips, and the rest of the percentage has actually gone towards commission. So you go to history quite often. I don't know if it shows you here, but it's the commission that's really killing you, especially when you've got really small pip sizes like 1.4, 1.4. These small ones just pretty much cover the cost of commission, and that's why this figure is a lot less. You can also see that probably since beginning of this year, say February, January, we've not really got anywhere. It's been just bouncing between the highs and the lows, and we're currently at the lows again. So I hope at some point it will come back to the top. But it's not made any money since the beginning of the year. But overall, it's had quite a good run. So that's the Forex Cyborg trading robot. And this is the FRZ Breakout MT4 trading robot. This is one which I started off in May, so 3 months ago, and we've had a 11% return. Absolute gain is roughly the same. It's a little bit more because I think it gained some from swaps. So from the 1,000, well, actually deposits £905. It's made 100, so which is reasonable. This is also another grid type martingale system. So you can see here the drawdown. It almost blew the account at some point. I guess that was down here or somewhere. So I mean, it's recovered, but probably too high risk for a relatively small account. Actually, no, I know why, because it was doing really, really well. You can see that I've gone up to 0.03 lots at the beginning. I started off with 0.01, which I think was deemed to be safe. And as it was doing so well, I bumped it up 3 times so that I could get more profit. And it did come close to blowing out. So do have to be careful with this one. However, it is a free train robot. You can get this. I'll send all the links in the video description box below. This is a free one. However, the set file that you need for this is in my Patreon page. So if you do want this, then you will need to be a member of my Patreon site. and Dark Knight RX. So this is the latest one that I've been testing. This one since July, so only last month, and you can see a nice equity growth up. It's nice, quite smooth. This is a another trading robot that's on the MQL marketplace. Made 7%. Put in $1,000. Made 72 so far. Yeah, we've had quite decent results. I'd say not too high risk. It is a reversion to mean type strategy, and every day we get loads of trades. You can see the trade sizes are small, but yet we're not getting any impact to the absolute gain. So yeah, worthwhile checking this one out. I've got reviews for all these, and I put all the links in the video description box below, and yeah, links to all of the links so you can check these for yourself as well. So yeah, this is the latest one. So yeah, those are the ones which I'm testing right now. I just thought I'd do a quick video for you, and I shall speak to you soon.